Number 18, pinasa sa number 20. Number 20, on the mid-range, level, rebound, at follow-up, number 7, number 9, number 91, on the inside, number 91, we have 5 seconds to shoot. Number 91, on the mid-range, number 5 na wala sa atin, number 7, number 7, number 17. Number 18. Number 18. Number 27. Number 27. On the inside. Number 25. Number 20. Number 21. Number 27. Number 4 to number 7. Number 7. On the inside. Number 18, one inside, number range. Rebound by number 18 again. Number 17 to number 1. To number 5. Number 5, number 5 again. Number 1, for the left team. Pass break to number 18 again. Number 18, on the inside. Number 30, number 1. Number 7, on the inside. Number 4, number 6. Number 6 on the mid-range. Number 7, number 7 to number 6. Number 6 on the mid-range. Number 6. We have 1 minute and 9 seconds for the second quarter. Number 4. We have 50 seconds for the second quarter. Number 38, 91. You have number 5. 5 seconds. Number 17 on the mid-range. Number 91 on the inside. Number 3 on the inside. Number 3. Number 18. Number 27. Number 27 on the road. Number 27 on the mid-range. Number 5. Steve, number 18. Number 18 and number 13. Inside. Number 91, left pass break, number 78, number 5, number 5 on the mid-range. Number 7 on the mid-range. Number rebound by number 12, number 5. Number 17, number 7, number 1, left team. Number 1 on the inside. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12, number 4, number 4 on the inside. Number 7 on the mid-range.
Battle for turn.